Hi, I'm Chris from AQUAPRO, introducing our new solar pump range. Some of the key benefits are advanced low voltage motor with DC current, low water cut-off switch, energy efficient, runs off the sun, easy to install with our plug and play system, and multiple fountain nozzles for different effects. The AQUAPRO DC solar pumps are suitable for water features, water fountains and bird baths. In the solar pump range, we have the AP300 solar pump, AP960 solar pump, and the AP1360 solar pump. I'm now going to have a quick guide on how to put these together. In the boxes, you will get fountain nozzles, risers, solar pump, UV panel, and panel spikes. Simply, the pump plugs into the back of the panel, and you're good to go. So to make sure our pump is running efficiently, we do recommend regular maintenance. To do this, we take off the impeller cover, impeller housing, and we pop out the impeller, give this a bit of a clean, wash inside, make sure it's nice and clean, and after that we put it all back together. Okay, we've got our pump connected to our solar panel, we've got the spike on, we've got 5 meters of cable. So we do recommend we put this in direct sunlight. It can work through minimal cloud cover, but we do recommend full sunlight. The best time for this is around about 9 in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. If you have any other questions, check out your instruction book, connect to our Facebook, or go on our website, www.aquatechequipment.com. And yeah, cheers guys, thank you very much.